Guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can triple your internet speed, how you can make your internet speed to be faster when you are browsing, whether you are connected to a Wi-Fi or you are using your direct internet. So let's dive in. First of all, as you can see, I have just run a speed test on my mobile device, and you can see that it says my internet connection is very slow. So what I want to do now is to improve the internet speed. So what we want to do, I'm currently connected to a Wi-Fi. So you want to go to your settings. When you get to your settings, you click on connections. You click on connections, then you click on Wi-Fi. You click on Wi-Fi, you will see that I'm connected. Then you will see the Wi-Fi connection here. Click on the settings icon here. You click on settings, click on view more. When you click on view more, scroll down, you will see where it says IP settings. Click on IP settings and then click on static. You click on static, then scroll down, you will see where it says DNS1 and DNS2. So this is where we want to do the work. Now we're going to be editing this DNS1 option here to, let's edit it to 8.8.8.8, and then we'll leave this as it is, 8.8.4.4. When we do this, then we'll click on save. We'll click on save. Now it has been saved. So what we want to do now is to restart our mobile device. When we restart it, and then we will now run another speed test to see if the internet connection has been improved. Now let's click on restart. Let's click on restart here. As you can see, I have now run a speed test on my mobile device after I restarted my phone, and you can see that my internet speed is now fine. Now, so I've tripled my internet speed and I can now browse seamlessly on my mobile device. That is because I'm connected to a Wi-Fi. Now let's explore the options to improve your internet speed when you are connected to internet connection. So you go to settings on your mobile device, and then you can search here access points. Type access point and search. So it will bring the access point names. Click on access point names, and then click on access point names again here. Then click on the mobile connections, and then you scroll down to where it says authentication type. Click on authentication type. Now what we're gonna do here is that before you start this connection, you can check your test speed to see the speed of your internet before you do this. Now you come here, you explore the three options here. You can click on chat. After you've done that, and then you can go ahead and run your internet speed. If it improves, then you can also come back to the authentication type again to explore the other option here as well. So you can click on PAP or CHAP as well. So it will improve your internet speed when you explore those options. That's how to improve your speed when you are browsing on the internet. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop my next video. Thank you.